Okay, hi guys, we're doing a video on your beautiful yellow Christmas tree, or brown, or poopy color, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, this thing is a 9, almost 10-foot Christmas tree that we've had, and it is yellow. It's not pretty.
There you go.
It's not pretty. So if you got that going on, and you don't like it so much, I'm here to tell you, we have gone through multiple options that we've seen on YouTube, and I'm just gonna be straight with you. They don't work. No vinegar, no bleach, no taking it in the sun, no happy Merry Christmas. You can't sing carols to it. It's not gonna change, okay? Wiping the leaves, vacuuming. There's no dirt on this tree, so it's clean. It's clean. It's just yellow. And yeah, oxidation. So anyways, if you want to save yourself like a lot of time and watching numerous videos like we did, and although they seem like really good options and maybe we could try it, it don't work. Really, all you need to do, seriously, save yourself a ton of time. Take my advice. Go ahead, spread your little leaves, stretch your tree, make it look pretty, pull it all out, and then go buy yourself some dollar store spray snow, or spray paint if you want to do that. But spray snow, because we went from this brown, you can see it, not too pretty, I will, to this, white. We're gonna go ahead and give you an example. Here's a brown one, let's spray that one. Oh, here's really brown. Okay, let's just do a leaf so they can see what the difference does. 2 seconds, all done. Can you see that? I'm doing a close-up for you. Don't waste your time. Maybe put down a towel on the floor. But yeah, this stuff is almost like a powder, and it pretty much dries on. Yeah. It doesn't come off too easy. It's pretty good. You know, once it dries, give it a couple minutes, and you'll be good to go.
But you got a big tree, you need a lot of cans of that.
Yeah. It actually goes pretty far. I got this stuff at the dollar store, and yeah. So it's a white tree again. So YouTubers, watch this video, because I'm gonna give it to you straight. Not saying it's perfect, but you know what? It's a lot easier than trying to haul it out, vacuum it, bleach it, vinegar it. And we tried Simple Green. We tried the floor when you try to wipe it off. We tried everything. And the simplest, easiest, fastest solution is snow spray or white spray paint, but snow spray makes it look a lot more realistic and Christmassy, like you flocked the tree and spent a cajillion dollars. So that's my tip. Take it, share it. If you like this, share it to your friends. Share it everywhere. Thank you. See ya. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.